How's it going? Welcome back. My name is Ace with MailerLite, and today we're going to be diving into one of the most powerful yet often misunderstood tools in business: brand storytelling. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, storytelling, isn't that just a little fluffy? Stick with me, because storytelling isn't fluffy. It's actually the secret sauce behind why people actually care about your brand instead of smashing that skip ad button. It is what turns one-time buyers into loyal fans. Think about it for a second, okay? Nobody likes that person at a party who will not stop talking about themselves. And most brands do exactly that. This blah blah about their features and blah blah awards, while customers are mentally sneaking toward the nearest exit. Yeah, does that sound familiar? We're gonna fix that today though. We're going to turn your brand from that boring party guest into the friend that everyone actually wants to talk about. So what do we exactly mean by brand storytelling? It's not just, we started in a garage with 2 laptops and a dream. A real brand story is the narrative of your identity, values, and mission. It's the feeling people get when they hear your name. And done right, it really is going to give your brand a soul. People don't just buy products, they really buy into meanings, values, and lifestyles. That's why Patagonia isn't just selling jackets, they're promoting environmental activism. And that's why Nike isn't just selling sneakers, they're selling the spirit of empowerment. You see the difference here? Here's the big secret. Your brand is not the hero, your customer is. In your role, you're going to be more like Yoda, Gandalf, or the wise mentor who guides the hero on their journey. You're going to hand them that magical lightsaber, your product or service, but they're the ones that are going to actually be slaying that dragon. Here's how to build that story step by step. Now, first up, pinpoint the conflict, okay? Every great story starts with a problem. What's frustrating your audience? You can think of it like, what stress or inefficiency, lack of options, broken trust do they have? For example, Pete and Jerry's organic eggs understood customers cared about food sourcing. So their story wasn't, we sell eggs, but we're transparent about where your food comes from. You see, that changes everything there. And for 2, make the customer the hero. Highlight real people, showcase how they succeeded using your brand. In fact, MailerLite does this brilliantly with its wall of love. They celebrate customers' success stories, proving the tool isn't the star here, the people using it are. And number 3, develop a clear plot. Okay, show the before and after transformations from frustration to solution to success. Think of it as a mini 3-act movie where your audience walks away super inspired. It's going to help your brand tremendously. And 4, identify your morale. Every story needs a bigger truth that sticks. This should align with your values: sustainability, inclusivity, empowerment, those types of things. Whatever your brand truly stands for. This morale becomes the emotional glue for long-term connection. Types of brand stories you can tell. Not every story fits into the same mold, but here are 4 common and highly effective types. Functional stories. Demonstrate how your product solves everyday problems. For example, Mavi jeans showing how their jeans fit a wide range of body types through their Perfect Fit campaign. And underdog stories. You can share your scrappy beginnings as you took on the big guys, right? People love rooting for a David versus Goliath type of story. And then there's lifestyle stories. Sell a way of living, not just a product. Spotify Wrapped does this amazingly. It's not about the music, it's about your year expressed in sound. And then there's social mission stories. Align with a higher cause. Dove's Real Beauty campaign wasn't about soap, it was actually about challenging beauty norms and promoting self-acceptance. Bringing storytelling into your marketing. Where should your story shine? Honestly, everywhere, but especially in places where attention is scarce, like your email. The average person gets over 100 emails a day, and yet we open the ones that sound like stories. Which would you click on quicker, for example? New product alert, or the day our oven almost set the kitchen on fire. Stories hook people. They make your emails, social media posts, and websites binge-worthy, and it makes all the difference in the world. Here's some tips for email storytelling. Hook with emotion, not just jargon. Break into episodes to create anticipation for what you're doing. Stay authentic. Quirky if you're quirky, serious if you're serious. Show, don't just tell. Use visuals, videos, and customer narratives. Visuals help drive the point home. And the tools to help you craft your story. Research. Understanding your audience is super key. You hear me say it all the time. Use surveys to learn what matters to them. What are their pain points, their aspirations, their values? Tools like MailerLite's built-in email surveys actually make it very easy to gather these insights directly from your subscribers, all within the same platform you use for email marketing. This allows you to collect valuable data and efficiently keep all your communications streamlined and in one place. Development. Once you have insights, map your story ideas using tools like Notion, Trello, or Miro to organize your thoughts and plan your content strategy. Content creation. Bring your story to life with visuals. Canva video templates or even a simple slideshow can really enhance your message and capture your audience's attention like never before. And there's distribution. Get your story to the right people at the right time. Automation platforms like MailerLite help you segment your audience and deliver targeted messages, sharing the right chapter of your story with the right audience. So here's the takeaway. Storytelling is not fluff. It's the beating heart of your brand. And last I checked, the beating heart is very important. Remember, your customer is the hero, your brand is the guide, and your product is the magical tool that helps them succeed. Tell that story well, and you won't just get customers, you'll earn a community of advocates who proudly carry your story further. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more, and share your brand story attempts in the comments below. I would love to read them and see how you're making that leap from boring self-promotion to actual stories people want to hear and read. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.